Yeah. Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name is remains the same. I'm kind of Rhymes. Yeah, co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. So I welcome you all to my new episode. Yeah, so I have a new look right now. I know a lot of my fans will be asking me, "Yo, Kenny, why have you changed your looks?" Yeah, so I'm a content creator, and recently I developed some love for Ayamawe. Yeah, I just followed the guy and what the guy is doing. I think he's impacting a lot of life in his village. He's influencing a lot of people. Yeah, and I'm one of the people he's influencing. So I spent $70 just to look like Ayamawe. Yeah, so I wake up in the morning and I was thinking, yo, I have to look like Ayamawe and start doing some works like Ayamawe in my village. Yeah, so I went to this saloon in my town, yeah, and I told them that I want to look like this. So I showed them the picture I want to look like. Yeah, so the guy shaved me and I bought a rasta hair and they did everything for me. Yeah, and I think I'm looking nice, right? Yeah, so I just wanted to like show appreciation to I am our like followers and fans that Charlie the guy is doing well. So like, and I'm very grateful that they showed me the way and they also introduced the guy to me because I love the looks, I love the good things he's doing for his village people and things. So I think I love these looks. Yeah, I love these looks. Yeah, and from now going I'll be doing some videos, like little videos. I know I'm a tech guy, but I'll do some videos about my village, how I want to transform my village. So please, I know you support me, yeah, because you're already supporting me so this far. So I spent $70 to just look like I am aware for just a week. Yeah, for just a week to show my love to the guy. Yeah, to show my love to the guy. Yeah, so thank you for watching me. We're doing more things next week. Watch me. I'm out.